Here we are in measure 35. I'll walk. We're all on the melody again, ladies. 2, 3. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain. And now we have some melody. 2 parts in the alto, 1 in the soprano. Soprano, melody, just singing in the rain. First alto, just singing in the rain. Second alto, just singing in the rain. Both altos together, just that one little note split. And with the soprano, 1, 2, 3. Just and now we're all back to melody 43, 3, 4, 1. Dancing in the rain. I'm dancing in the rain. 4, 1. 2, the piano gets to fill in. 2, 2, 3, and I'm happy again. 4, 1, 2, 3. They get 3, and here we start. And I'm let's take that sopranos. I'm singing, just singing in the rain. Altos, and I'm singing, just dancing in the rain. Singing and then dance in both parts. 1, 2, 3. I'm all right, and we have a key change from F up to G, and we get the melody again. Here we are at measure 61. 1, 2, and I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling! I'm happy again. 3, 4, and I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. 4, the sun's in my heart, and let's break that up. Same kind of harmony we had before. The sun, soprano. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Alto. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Together, and next video, we'll start on page 10.